Okay.
I am a gamer and I also like to play music in guitar or keyboard, like the musical keyboard, Casio.
Okay. Are you learning from anywhere?
Not now, ma'am, but I was learning before Corona.
Okay. Your sister is attending classes, I think so, in LWT Kids.
Yes, ma'am.
On Thursday, we are teaching how to play piano.
Yes, ma'am. I
So
I
you
was
can,
not there that time, but
okay, you can attend that time.
okay, ma'am.
And anything else, Ins- like gaming and piano?
Ma'am, I know how to code some things. I know how to decode and code like websites or and any other application.
Like, are you a hacker?
A type of that.
It's illegal in India, hacking sites.
Ma'am, not a type of hacker, but I can decode any website or
Okay,
create any game.
okay. You are a
Coder.
creator.
Yes, ma'am. Create.
Okay, the new generation is learning how to code.
Yes, ma'am. I have
Coding
learned this
skill.
from my father.
Okay, you learn from your father.
Yes, ma'am.
Your sister knows that?
No,
Very
ma'am.
fast.
She is very small. 6 years.
Don't 6 years, but in I think this is standard one.
Yeah,
Okay,
in two.
two. In standard two, now students are learning how to do coding.
Yes, ma'am. But she has not learned yet.
You can teach her. Okay.
Okay, ma'am. I will teach her.
One day we will invite you to teach us how to make quiz.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Sanvi,
Yes, ma'am.
what are your interests?
My interests are in three ways. First is swimming, cooking, and then dance. If you're asking swimming, so till 8 feet I can swim, and in cooking I can make sweet dishes like cake and chocolate balls or Oreo biscuits. That sugar cupcake. And in dance I have learned Western, classical, and little hip hop. Bus.
Okay. And who is your favorite chef on screen? Anyone whom you like? Like there are many programs going like Master Chef India, Australia, and everywhere. Hello, hello, Sanvi. Am I audible?
Yeah, you are audible right now.
Okay. There are many chefs on whose programs are coming on television. So is there any chef your favorite?
Watch TV. I hate TV to watch.
You okay? You hate to watch TV. Like you don't watch anyone to cook, like any cookery show. Nothing.
I just think in my mind that what I have to make. Oh, mom, actually, I want to tell that my friend mother has actually, yeah, my friend's mother exactly like same of your face. I thought that is she your sister? Nothing. I cannot think. But first I will ask that ma'am has told me that the sister birthday comes at 21 June at my birthday only. But how come the sister birthday has come on 12 June only? She did like you, face, everything is like you only.
My face is very common. Everyone says I have seen someone like you. I don't know. I think so. God has made me common. He didn't make
I
me
can
unique.
screen also and show you that his status is there. So I'm can I share screen and tell that is she you or your elder sister?
No, you can show us. We can also, if you have a pic.
We disable the screen.
Okay,
Disable
wait.
the screen actually.
Yeah,
It's fine. Thank you. One can see. I think.
I'll have to stop sharing. Then only you can see. Yeah,
So I think you can see my screen.
yeah, we can see your screen.
Ma'am, let's see.
Oh, yeah, she looks like me. The half, the down face.
The half, and I can't believe.
Happy.
I can see. I think
Okay.
last photo.
Where
It's
is
not. Ma'am,
Ashika?
see. This photo is
Achintya-
like you only, I think.
Achintya, is she like me, Achintya?
No, ma'am. Ma'am, the first one was like you.
Yes, the first one
And
was like,
just like you.
yeah.
This
Yes,
one.
ma'am.
Yes.
Your little sister.
No, she's not my sister.
It's like 70 to 80%.
Okay. The half face, like below.
No, my Isam, she is like you actually. I can tell you.
Okay, now let me ask questions.
I can stop sure.
Okay, Achintya, now you tell me, what are your interests?
Ma'am, my interests are online games like Free Fire.
Okay.
And I like it. Interest.
If he had nothing dark.
You are unmuted, Sanvi. We heard that you said Free Fire and nothing.
Some it can. My brother also play full time Free Fire. And it is a time pass actually.
Okay, I'll tell you one bad thing about online games, which I heard today. One of the students, his age was, I think, 17 or 18. He was playing online games like 6 to 7 hours, and he got sick and he was taken to Mumbai, Nanavati Hospital. And now he has been asked not to eat like 1 gram of protein. Not a single gram of protein he can intake, because if he will intake, he might die. And the doctor said this is just because of sitting in the home, not working out, and just playing on the mobile phone. The time when I heard this, I have stopped playing PUBG. I only play, like, I only do WhatsApp and this, and I have stopped playing any online games because I don't want to die so soon. Achintya,
Yes,
Ma'am,
ma'am.
he used to play PUBG.
I used to play till tomorrow, till yesterday, but
Really, ma'am?
only half an hour I used to play.
I
Not a
also
shocking.
one
Everyone,
twice in a week.
why a teacher can't play PUBG?
No, ma'am.
Only
Ma'am,
half an hour.
You are also a human, and the teacher is also a human. He or she
I
can
used to
play.
play only half an
teacher
hour,
are
but I
also
have
playing.
stopped playing. After hearing this news, I have stopped playing because I too
Ma'am.
have a back pain. Yes,
Ma'am,
Cynthia.
in our school, 7 to 8 teachers play Free Fire.
And now you should ask them, ma'am, don't play Free Fire and PUBG because doctors had said that it is affecting the body parts also.
Yes, ma'am. My father also tells that I have a pimple on my head. It's too big and paining. My father and mother says that it is because you are playing so much games.
Yes, because the radiation is
Ma'am.
coming and it's affecting our body. Yes, Achintya.
But I play twice in a week
Ma'am,
only.
it's like this.
Oh my God, it's very big.
Yeah, I know, ma'am. It's very paining.
Achintya, please don't play. Like go play hardly half an hour in a week.
Ma'am, I play twice in a week.
Okay, then it's
Only
good.
on Saturday, Sunday.
Ma'am,
and that
one
for
day
only-
I have played Minecraft for 3 hours
This is,
continuously.
that's why this pimple has come,
Yes, ma'am.
because
Ma'am, I've told my
you
interest.
used your mind and that's why it came on your head.
Yes, ma'am. I use very much my mind.
Achintya, anything else you like to play?
No, ma'am.
Nothing. Okay.
Ma'am, I generally like outdoor games, but due to this pandemic crisis, I am not able to play outdoor games. So I'm busy with I play it for entertainment. Now I'm not addicted to it.
Okay, very good. Aditya Pratap Singh,
Yes, ma'am.
what are your interests, Aditya?
I like playing cricket and chess, mainly cricket as an outdoor game.
Okay.
I was not playing due to pandemic, but now me and my friends have started playing by taking the precautions by wearing mask and hand gloves. I also like to watch YouTube videos, any type of videos, not any particular type. And I also know Python programming, so I practice that in my free times.
Okay. And Parent, where is parent gone? Her name was there and she disappeared. I think she left the class. Achintya. Achintya,
Yes, ma'am.
this question is for you.
Ma'am, how you have made this thing?
I
This
made this on Word Wall. There is a site called Word Wall. I made it there.
Ma'am, you have made it or the website have made it?
No, this I have created. Like every time I change the questions.
Okay, ma'am. So one dream destination where you want to visit?
Yes.
Uh, um, Actually, I also don't know where I want to visit. But wait, give me 2 minutes time. I would think about the past.
Okay. I'll
Yeah,
ask someone else.
I have got.
Okay, you got it. Okay.
Yes, ma'am. I'm very eager to go to one of the water parks. Like you already know, in Ghatsila, one water park is open.
Yes.
You know about it.
Yes, I have heard about it.
So we about this for after the situation will get in the control first, then only we will go to Ghatsila water park
Okay.
with our
Ah.
maternal grandmother and with all our maternal family.
Okay. Have you visited Dalma?
Dalma,
Yes.
like elephant.
Yes.
Yes,
Dalma.
ma'am, I've visited. Yes, ma'am.
Did you like that place?
Yes, ma'am, it was very nice. Elephants are just we so.
You don't want to visit it again?
Ma'am, due to this pandemic crisis, how will I visit?
Yeah, we are also not going, but after when pandemic will end, we will also first we will go there.
So, and we will go to water park.
Okay. Aditya?
Yes, ma'am.
One dream destination where you want to visit?
Actually, I want to visit Ireland as I have always seen some videos of Annabella, and I want to see real Annabella doll in that museum, the Warren's Occult Museum. So I want to visit Ireland for that.
Okay. Utpal Kumar,
Yes, ma'am.
your dream destination?
Ma'am, it's Australia.
Okay. Why Australia?
Ma'am, because of two reasons. First is that I have never seen kangaroos, and I have heard that it is only found in Australia, so I want to go there.
Okay.
And second reason is that it supports gaming. It supports gaming industry. So
That's why you want to go to Australia.
yes, ma'am.
Ma'am,
Yes.
I have one dream destination. Can I say it?
Yes.
Actually, I have two dream destination more. So one is Everest, Mount Everest,
Okay.
and basically Mount Everest in the top. I want to go. It's my dream,
Okay.
but I know I will not go because it's not my zone.
Okay. One day it might be that anyone can go through helicopter.
Yes, ma'am, it can happen and it will happen.
Then also you don't want to visit?
Then I will try.
Then I will try. Okay. And the next one?
And the next one is Switzerland.
Okay.
Because from Dhanbad, from our colony, one couple have gone to Switzerland, and after she returned back, he and she, they were literally shocked at how beautiful place they were recommending all of them that it is like a heaven. You can go, you can go. So I want to visit.
Okay. Sanvi?
My favorite destination is two countries. First is France, and second is Dubai. I have promised my dad when I will be 18, complete 18, then I will go to Dubai with my friends, and I will stay for 2 to 3 months there. And France, because from sixth class onwards, I have learned French. It's very tough to learn for me, and it's very tough to pronounce all the words. After this class, I have my another French class, and it's very tough.
That's why to use that language, you want to go to France. Nice, very nice.
There is an incident also that my friend, my best friend, has gone to France with his family, and what happened there? He have learned little bit French, that how to say hello, bye on the video call. He called me WhatsApp video call and give the phone to the foreigner and say the word that I want to go there and I want to go there. And from that day to his ending day of the trip, like I was the sound porting at the board. I was telling like there, like there.
Prompter.
Yeah, a travel guider. I was there, but then not in English. I was saying I have to saying in French only there. So I was saying like the French par.
Okay, French is par. I
No,
didn't know that.
it's not.
It's
It's
very
not par.
easy. Anyone can do par.
I'm saying if you love any language now, it can be easy for you. And I love also to learn. Example, I can say that what is your name? So the what is your name in French? It will be three types. First is comment tu t'appelles. Second is comment allez-vous, allez. And third type I didn't know because it is the for high level, and the answer are also in two types. First is the Swiss, your name, and Zemapel, your name. I think so the
I also know French.
You can
What?
attend our 6:30 class for learning Spanish. Like 7 o'clock, we are teaching Spanish.
and French is enough for me. I can't learn any other language. My friend is also teaching me Chinese also, so I can't any language. So I will not learn any language except Chinese and French, but Spanish
Okay.
also.
Okay, Utpal, one dream destination.
Ma'am, I have answered.
Oh, you have answered. No one is left. Okay, next, Aditya.
Ma'am, I also answered
No, this
that Annabella one.
next question is for you.
Okay.
One incident that you regret.
Yes, I remember the incident. That time I was in standard 3 and it was my first terminal examinations. So next day was my maths exam. So I was continuously studying maths and maths. I was going to my that day I went to my tuitions 3 times because one of my chapters were not completed. So I was just practicing completing at last I completed my chapter 2 hours before the exam, and then I went to the school for exams. And I that time also I didn't realize when I received the paper, then I came to know that that day was Hindi exam, not maths.
And you regret that you spent so much hours.
So
One of
how
my
did you write the answers then?
means I had studied Hindi, but before the exam I was studying maths. I got a good marks, but I was very much surprised by that. One of my friends was telling me that why are you studying maths? Why are you studying maths today?
In
Uh,
in which grade you are right now?
right now I am in standard 9.
9. Okay. School?
MNPS. It's in
Motilal,
Jamshedpur.
Motilal Nehru, na?
Yes, ma'am.
MBBS.
Okay. Next, Achintya. Hello.
Ma'am,
One mistake that you regret.
one mistake that you regret. Ma'am, regret meaning I actually don't know. Exact meaning I don't know.
ऐसी कोई गलती तो तुमको लगता है कि मैंने मुझसे नहीं होनी चाहिए थी. Why I have done this?
जानबूझ के नहीं हुई.
गलती से हो गई.
गलती से हो गई पर वो होनी नहीं चाहिए थी.
That's the reason. I was thinking that only. So one mistake that you regret is that I'm not getting in my mind. Yes, ma'am. Yesterday only that my mother recommended me to wear full trousers, but I gone to play in half pants and see the condition. I cracked my knee and I'm not able to sleep. Also, I have slept only 3 to 4 hours in night, and I'm not able to move my leg. Also, it's very paining.
And this is a very big mistake. We should
Yes,
hear our parents.
yes.
Okay, Utpal,
Yes, ma'am.
one mistake.
Yes, ma'am. As Aditya told that he was studying maths continuously, and then he heard that it is Hindi exam. Same incident happened with me, but I was studying like it was my maths exam, and my teacher, the tuition teacher, he didn't teach me Hindi, so I studied maths from him. Sorry, I have speak opposite. It was my Hindi exam, and I studied maths from him. So my mother, I told to my mother that my tuition teacher has taught me Hindi because maths, because he he is not teaching me Hindi. So my mother told that teach why you have learned uh, maths. It is your Hindi exam, you should study Hindi from your teacher. Then I told that he has only told, but my mother didn't believe me, and he told it to my father. And uh, my father uh, came to my room, and then he started beating me from uh, like it was a USB cable, it was very thin. So he took that and started beating me. And the marks were for almost a month, and
Oh
the
my
pain was
God.
almost for 3 months.
Oh my God.
I was not able to sleep that night
Just
because,
because of this, he was,
yes, ma'am, he's very strict. That time he was very strict. Now he is very kind, polite to me.
okay. I think so. Everyone made this mistake. I too made this mistake. Like when I was in seventh standard, the next day exam was of English, and I studied maths. And when I reached the school in the morning, everyone was reading, taking out their English copies, and I said, "Why are you studying English? Because today is maths exam." And then I went, and when I saw the timetable, it was English. And I just passed in English literature because I didn't knew anything about literature.
Ma'am,
Yes.
I have not done that mistake, but I have done almost same because it was my weekly test of 10 marks. In my school, weekly test happened. We are taken. So it was of Sanskrit, and I didn't prepare anything like other told that maths exam was there and English literature. I prepared nothing. I just thought it was not a weekly test on that day, and when all were studying Sanskrit, then all told me, and thank God at that day the test was at fourth period, so I got some time to prepare and I scored 10 out of 10 marks.
Very good. Sanvi, the
My
last question for
regret,
you.
yeah, my regret was never listen to music when you are giving your final paper or any of the paper. Never listen to music, please.
Why? What happened? Did you write
Because
the song?
yeah, it was my English exam, and I was in a very sad mood because due to my um, stomach ache. So I was listening to music, English music, and the paper also was English. So I was listening to the English music only. And then what happened? I have written all the answers incorrectly, and then I got 80, and I was crying that how am I 20 mark deducted. And I saw here and there, and then I found in literature only the 20 marks have gone.
And when you saw your paper, did you realize where you made the mistake?
Yes, ma'am. Never listen to music when you take any of the paper.
Yeah, while giving your exam, you should not listen to the music.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, thank you everyone.